Assalamualaikum, and in the name of Allah, most merciful. So in this video, we are going to create King advert using HTML, CSS, and Java. You can see here it's look like this, and we are going to create it using HTML, CSS, and Java. Let's start our video by creating a new folder of King advert. You can see here advert I had created here and folder, and I am going to write here the doc type and naming the document in advert, and here I will create .main, .nav, .logo. First of all, I will create here .top, and then I will write here I will have an anchor tag hash home. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 2 4 6 8 10. Save it, and now I have a bottom logo image, and there will be src of the image, and then anchor, and there will be one anchor tag hash about KMU, and there will be 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5. Save it, and now what will I do? I will link my file. I will save it. I will come here and write here body, margin 0, padding 0, and I will go live. And now what will I write? I will write here .top and padding. Wait, I will do padding 5 pixel, background color green. I will write here hash. I will write here RGB. Red will be 0, green will be 10, and blue will be 0. So that is 100, or like 76. I will do it 110. Wait, I need the color. I will show you how. Right here, background color green, and simply hover it and do it like this, or little bit. What will I do? I will come here and I will inspect. I will come here and click this and get the color. I will come here and have the hex code here like this. Save it, and then there will be top anchor tag, decoration none, color white, font size 10 pixels, margin 20 pixels, 10 pixels, font family, sans serif, serif, font width 600, and font size will be more from like 4:8. If I come here, there will be like margin of 5 pixels, and there will be padding left 30 pixels or like 60, like this. And now what we can do, we can write here dot bottom padding 5 pixels, and we can write a dot logo left like this, and height will be 50 pixels. Dot logo image height 100% like this, and there will be margin left 50 pixels. More I will decrease it like 30, and then I will write here dot anchor node right like this, and there will be margin top 20 pixels. Dot anchor text decoration none. Font family, font size first of all like 10 pixels, so that could be 15. Or 14. And now what we can do, we can add here, we can finish it like this, and I can add a margin left or 50 pixels. Like 50. We have to do 200, 290, so that could be 390 like this, and I can even put margin 10 pixels. Color, wait, we need the color will be black, sorry, and font family sans serif. Like this, font width will be 700 like this, and what we can do, the page and planning to it, so I will fix it. I will do font size 12 pixels like this, and it's looking like this. Now what we can do, right on it. There is an hover function, we have to add it. Background will be blue. I add padding of 20 pixels. If I finish margin like this, okay, it's looking like this, and padding also will be 10, so it looks like this. Okay, now what we can do, we can finish the background, and I type a over background black. Now what will I will add like this. and now it will I do. Let's look like this. Now what will I do? I will copy the address of this. I will have it in advert and go to the images. Okay, we get the image. Let's click here, copy image address. What will I do? I will come here and down here there will be dot image, there will be image, there will go the image. Now what we can do, we can go on here and add a dot image, margin of 2 pixels like this, and height could be 100 pixels. Let image high 100%. Save it. Let's look like this. If I do 600 or 400, and we can add a width 600 pixels. 8. Pixels like this. That could be like this. Now what we can do, we can come back here and go down. Now we are going to put this extend on it and go so that you can create your own. I will do 1 minute copy this address, and now what will I do, I will come here and this 1, 2, 3, 4, and now what we can do, refresh this, and it's like this. Now what we can do, wait, I have to put more in that. Come here and do 4, 5, 9 will be fine. Click here and go down. Then we go the 4 images, and now what we can do, we can write a dot slider, margin of 40 pixels, 50 pixels. I will come here at the end. Come here and add a margin to 20 pixels. Right, I will come here. Save it. Come here, then go. Now what you can do, go title as And now our king Edward Medical University of Pakistan is done. You can see here there is first of all an home, but there is upper never and then bottom never, about, and then come down there will be the image, and then there will be the images. So that was my whole video. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.